Hi all, welcome to our 10th standard maths. Next example, find the sum of the first 1000 positive integers. Find the sum of the first n positive integers. First one, let us find the sum of first 1000 positive integers. Using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. Here the first 1000 positive integers 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 1000. In this, first term is 1, last term an or l is equal to 1000. The sum of the first 1000 terms of an AP is equal to 1000 divided by 2, first term 1 plus last term 1000. 500 into 1001. This is 500,500. Therefore, the sum of the first 1000 positive integers is 500,500. Second one, the first n positive integers. The first n positive integers 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. Here first term is 1, last term is n. Therefore, the sum of first n positive integers Sn is equal to n by 2, first term 1 plus last term n. So, the sum of first n positive integers is given by Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. In an AP given A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, AN is equal to 50, find N and Sn. Here given first term is 5, common difference is 3, last term nth term of an AP is 50. We have to find number of terms and sum of n terms. Therefore, nth term of an AP is given by an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an is 50, a 5 plus n minus 1 into d 3. 5 plus 3n minus 3 or 3n plus 2 is equal to 50, or 3n is equal to 50 minus 2, 48. 48 by 3, 16. Therefore, n is equal to 16. Number of terms 16. We have S16. Therefore, sum of 16 terms, sum of first 16 terms is given by n by 2. Sn is equal to n by 2, first term plus last term. 16 by 2, first term 5 plus last term 50. 8 are 5 plus 50, 55. 8 into 55, 440. Therefore, S16, 440. Next example, in an AP given A is equal to 7, A13 is equal to 35. Find D and S13. First term is 7, 13 term is 35, and we have to find common difference and sum of 13 terms. Therefore, A13 is equal to 35. A13 it can be written as A plus 13 minus 1 into D, 12D is equal to 35. A first term is 7 plus 12 into D is equal to 35. 12D is equal to 35 minus 7. 35 minus 7, 28. D is equal to 28 by 12. 4 3s are 4 7s are. Therefore D value is 7 by 3. D value is 7 by 3. S13. We know that sum of first n terms n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. N 13 by 2, 2 into first term 7. 13 minus 1 D 7 by 3. 2 7s are 14 plus 12, 7 by 3. Here 4s are 7 4s are 28. 14 plus 28. 14 plus 28. Here 13 by 2, 14 plus 28, 42. 2 1s are 2, 21. 13 into 21, 273. Therefore D is 7 by 3. S13 is 273. Next example, in an AP given A3 is equal to 15, S10 is equal to 125. Find D and A10. Given A3 is equal to 15, we can write A3 as A plus n minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2D is equal to 15. Let us take it as equation number 1. Next, given S10 is equal to 125. S10 is equal to sum of n terms, sum of first n terms n by 10, 10 by 2, 2a plus 10 minus 1 into D, 9D. This is 125, 5, 2 1s are 2 5s are 2a plus 9D. 125 by 5, 125 by 5 is equal to 2a plus 9D. 5 25, therefore 2a plus 9D is equal to 25. Question number 2. Let us solve these two equations. Let us multiply equation number 1 by 2. 2a equation multiply by 2 both the sides. 2a plus 4d is equal to 30. 30. Equation number 3. Let us solve these two equations. Solve 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Equation 2 minus 3, we get 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. 2a plus 4d is equal to 30. Subtract 5d plus 5d is equal to minus 5. Therefore D is equal to minus 5 by 5. D is equal to minus 1. D is equal to minus 1. Put the value of D is equal to minus 1 in 1. In 1. In 1. A plus 2 into D value minus 1, 15. Minus 2, 15 plus 2, 17. A value is 17. A10. A10 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus 10 minus 1 into D. 9D. A17 plus 9 into D value minus 1. 17 minus 9, 8. A10 is 8. Therefore, D minus 1, A10, 8. One more example. In an AP given D is equal to 5, S9 is equal to 75, find A and A9. Here given common difference is 5, S9 is 75. We can write S9 is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. 9 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1, 9 minus 1, 8 into D 5 is equal to 75. 9 by 2, 2a plus 8 5 is 40 is equal to 75. Here we can take 2 outside, 2a plus 20 is equal to 75. 9a plus 180 is equal to 75. This can be 9a is equal to 75 minus 180. 75 minus 180 minus 105. Therefore, A is equal to minus 105 by 9. 3 3s are 335. Therefore, A value is minus 35 by 3. Now, we have to find A9. A9 means A plus 9 minus 1 into D. A plus 8D. A minus 35 by 3 plus 8D. D value is 5. Minus 35 by 3. 8 5s are 40. Minus 35 by 3 plus 40. 3 is the LCM. Minus 35 plus 120 is equal to minus 35 plus 120 plus 85 by 3. A9 is equal to 85 by 3. A minus 35 by 3. A9 85 by 3. Next example. In an AP given A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90. Find N and An. Here given Sn is equal to 90. Therefore, Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 90. Sum of first n terms of AP, n by 2, first term 2 plus n minus 1 common difference D 2 is equal to 90. Here 2 2s are 4 plus 8n minus 8 is equal to 90. 8n plus 4 minus 8 minus 4 n by 2 is equal to 90. Here take 2 outside, n by 2, 4n minus 2 is equal to 90. For 4n square minus 2n is equal to 90. We can write this as 4n square minus 2n minus 90 is equal to 0 divided by 2. 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We have to solve this by the method of factorization, splitting the middle term as a sum of two terms, splitting the middle term as the sum of two terms whose product is 90n square minus 90n square, that is 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equal to 0. Let us check minus 10n plus 9 minus 1n minus 10n into 9n plus minus 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 90n square. Therefore, two terms are minus 10n and 9n. Here we have to see the common term. Here 2n, n minus 5 plus 9, n minus 5. 2n square, 2n into 5 minus 10n plus 9n plus minus 45. 9 5s are 45. Therefore, two factors are 2n plus 9, 9 minus 5. 2n plus 9 is equal to 0 or n minus 5 is equal to 0. N is equal to minus 9 by 2 or n is equal to 5. Let us solve next example. In an AP, given a is equal to 8, n is equal to 62, Sn is equal to 210, find n and d. First term is 8, we have to find n and d. We know first term, last term. So, sum of first n terms, Sn is equal to n by 2, first term plus last term. Sn 210, n by 2, first term 8, last term 62. L or An 62. 62 plus 8, 70. Here 2 ones are 2, 35. Therefore, n is equal to, it implies n is equal to 210 divided by 35. 7 5s are 7 3s, 5 1s are 5 6. Therefore, number of terms n is equal to 6. Find common difference. N is equal to 6. Find n and common difference. We know the nth term of an AP, An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An 62, a 8 plus n 6 minus 1 d. 8 plus 5d is equal to 62. 62 minus 8 is equal to 5d. 62 minus 8, 54 divided by 5 is d. Therefore, common difference d is equal to 54 by 5. Let us see one more example. In an AP, given a is equal to 3, n is equal to 8, s is equal to 192, find d. Find common difference. Here Sn, sum of first n terms, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then 192, n 8, 8 by 2, 2 into a 3 plus 8 minus 1 7 d. 2 ones are 2 fours are 4, 6 plus 7d. Here 24 plus 28d, 6 fours are 24 plus 7 fours are 28d. It implies 192 minus 24 is equal to 28D. 192 minus 24 is 168 is equal to 28D. Therefore, D is equal to 168 by 28. 7 4s are 724. 4 1s are 4 6. Therefore, D is equal to 6. Common difference is 6. Next example, given L is equal to 28, S is equal to 144 and there are total 9 terms. Find A. Find first term. Here we know last term. Therefore, sum of first n terms Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L. Here we know Sn, n, L. We can find first term using this formula. Sn is equal to 144 n, total 9 terms, 9 by 2 A plus L 28. Here 144 into 2 is equal to 9A plus 28 into 9 to 25, 252. Here 288. 9A is plus 252. Therefore, 9A is equal to 288 minus 252. 36. Therefore, A is equal to 36 by 9. 4. Therefore, first term is 4. Next example, in an AP given A12 is equal to 37. 12th term of AP is 37. D is equal to 3. Find A and S12. A12 is equal to A plus 12 minus 1 into D. A plus 11D is 37. A plus 11 into D 3 is equal to 37. A is equal to 37 minus 33. Therefore, first term is 4. 37 minus 33 is 4. Therefore, A is equal to 4. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. We know that sum of first n terms S12 is equal to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. S12 is equal to 12 by 2, first sum of first 12 terms 2 into A4 plus n minus 1, 12 minus 1, D is 3. 2 6 are 6, 8, 33. 12 minus 1, 11, 11 into 3, 33. 33 plus 8, 41. 41 into 6, 246. Therefore, first term is 4 and S12 is 246. Let us solve one more example. In an AP given AN is equal to 4, D is equal to 2, Sn is equal to minus 14. Find N and A. Here we know nth term of AP, AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Nth term of AP is given by AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here AN is 4. First term we have to find first term, n minus 1 into D is 2. A plus 2n minus 2, that is 4 plus 2, 6. A plus 2n. Therefore, we can write A is equal to 6 minus 2n. Let it be equation number 1. First n terms of AP. Sum of first n terms of AP is given by, we have Sn is equal to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Sn minus 14 n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into 2 n by 2 2a plus 2n minus 2 2 is common, take outside a plus n minus 1. Now using 1 a in the place of a 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1. Here n 6 minus 1 plus 5 minus 2n plus n minus n. Here minus 14 here 5 into n 5n n into n square or n square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation. We have to solve this by using factorization method. We need to split the middle term minus 5n as a sum of two terms whose product is minus 14n square. So we can write n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 is equal to 0. Two terms are minus 7 and plus 2n. Minus 7n plus 2n minus 5n. Product minus 7n into 2n minus 14n square. These two together, let us take common outside. Common factor n minus 7 plus 2 n minus 7. n minus 7 or n plus 2 is equal to 0. Two factors are n minus 7 or n plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, value of n 7 plus 7 or n is equal to minus 2. Since n must be a positive integer, we have to avoid n is equal to minus 2. Therefore, value of n is 7. Since n must be a natural number, on avoiding n is equal to minus 2, we get n is equal to 2. Let us find first term a. Substitute in value of n in equation 1. A is equal to 6 minus 2 into 7. 6 minus 14. 6 minus 14. Here minus value of a is minus 8.